Hey there, fellow marketers, Professor Wolters here, and today we're here in Lerwick on the Shetland Islands in northern Scotland. And today we're going to talk about is how products flow for businesses, because sometimes companies want to have what we call a direct sale, where they're selling directly to their customers. And other times we might actually use a distribution center or a retailer to get our products out there, and there's different reasons why we might do that. And if we look at a distribution center, what's helpful about using a distribution center to kind of manage your flow of products is think about it. A distribution center takes in orders from multiple retailers, right? So it's not just one store, it's 10 stores going through them. And what happens is by using that distribution center, it eliminates some of the outliers. I mean, think about it. If I'm like a liquor store, right? And if I have a liquor store and I only look at our liquor store for the college, the campus town where the college students live, well, according to that, all of our stores only want cheap beer and Fireball whiskey, and that's it. And so we just order that for our 10 other stores. Well, the thing is what we do is we saw that, the college town one orders this, but the retiree part of town orders more wine and Old Milwaukee Light, and the middle class part of town orders more wine, and the family part of town has more mixers. And what we do is we take all these orders together and it normalizes the orders. Also, what will happen is we also get the benefit of buying in bulk, so it can reduce the prices. So we have those things out there. And for companies, by having that distribution center doing stuff, it helps eliminate some of the stock outs. So it's not like, oh, my store is out, we have nothing left. We can always call the distribution center and get more delivered to us, okay? And the thing is, I have a whole video talking about what distribution centers do, but I want to kind of give you that idea that we're kind of putting everything together, and so we're learning about everything from all of the different retailers. And the thing is, that's one of the reasons why a lot of companies might actually just do what are called direct sales, where the company sells directly to the end customer. We don't go through Walmart, we don't go through a distribution center. You want to buy the product from us, we'll bring it to you, okay? We sell it directly to you. Maybe you heard of factory direct bedding? Yeah, well, one of the reasons why you have factory direct bedding is because, do you think those furniture stores have room for the inventory of holding 50 beds or 50 queen size beds? Of course not. And so just because of the size of the product, it might demand that we actually use a direct sales method. So don't feel special that they're direct selling to you, that, oh, we don't keep anything in the inventory, so you get the newest, freshest bed made. No, it's because they just don't have the room for it, okay? That's why they have a showroom and let 90 people lay on the same bed to test it out, okay? Also, if you want to think in more bigger scales, we're here in the Shetland Islands, and there's a lot of fishing vessels and stuff like that. Well, if I'm selling an aircraft carrier, do we sell aircraft carriers at Walmart? No, we sell it, we make it, then we sell it directly to the government, and we deliver it to them in the harbor, right? We do that just because of the size. And so in general, we just may see that the product demands a direct sale versus using a distribution center or a retailer, okay? On the other side of things, we might actually see that some consumers demand it, or buyers demand it, or we as companies may demand it. I mean, think about it. If I have intellectual property that I don't want to lose, I don't want to give it away, I'm not going to give it to somebody else than to give it to my end customer. I'm going to be the last one that goes straight to them, okay? Because I don't want them knowing my 9 secret herbs and spices that go into my chicken. I don't want them to know how to make my cure for cancer. I don't want them to know how to make my maglev trains. I'm going to do it on myself because I want to control the intellectual property, okay? Now, on the other side of things, what you might look at in terms of why you do a direct sale, it could be because you want to control every aspect of it. Think about it. A firm that prides itself on customer service and being there for their customer is going to want to be there every step of the way. So they might be there for the marketing. They might be there for the sales, for the delivery, for the installation. They want to be with you every step of the way. If I'm selling private planes, okay, I do not want to have someone else sell my planes for me. I want to show that oligarch, hey, you're going to buy these $1 million planes from me. We're there for you. And so we want to control the whole experience for them. So you might have that. So those are kind of the two big reasons why you do a direct sale. One, the product may demand it, or it's just because the company demands it as well. So you have that. And the thing is you really need to watch the video, which should be down below, on what distribution centers do for companies to help you know more about what they're going to do, so you can have a better idea. And so if you're dealing with a company, or you're a company and trying to figure out, should I use a retailer, do I sell direct, this can help you out. Anyway, I wish you all the best and have a great time studying if you're studying for an exam. And I hope this kind of explained a little bit about why that factory direct bedding isn't so special as you think it is. Anyway, bye from the Shetland Islands.